too much. TV any doubt.
Loud.
TV Agomo. Who has a chance? What a chance? Ha ha. Obi Maso. Yes.
Brian, breakfast are you ready?
Oh, sweetheart. Cecilia, walk off for me.
In fact, you're on your fufu, but this time of the morning, not even 11 o'clock a.m. Coffee. And
Coffee?
Yeah, coffee.
Oh, Debbie. Mommy, me want me chroma, but this time, my dear Betty, and answer fufu.
Debbie, Brian, I had a yenesa.
Oh,
it's
Debbie.
Not even 11:30 in tea. I prepare some bread and eggs and a coffee.
Debbie,
so you need to eat. Unya
Papa plans and be an answer. A cow. Na me dear, say breakfast. Me ye fear soya no panya kawa. Fufu.
This is not back home. This is USA. So you need to eat light breakfast
No.
before you can eat dinner.
I don't like tea.
Oh, Brian, don't do that.
No.
Yes, you have to eat something.
No, I won't drink tea.
So what do you want me to prepare now?
I want fufu.
Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you finish the breakfast?
No. I have a family. I wait. Ghana.
Now then, I will shake you one
I was out.
If I tell you what summer,
We
are not in winter, so you need to remove it.
Debbie. I will be making pneumonia.
Oh, really?
Yeah, pneumonia will warm my heart.
Your
I
heart?
don't come. Yes.
Okay, let me touch you. You'll be warm.
No.
Right?
Hey.
Really? What's wrong with you?
No.
Are you alright?
Yes. I'm alright.
Okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
But you're shaking. I need to warm you a little bit. Okay? Just remove that.
I won't.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Me.
Okay, you know something? You need to finish your breakfast.
No.
Please.
This time.
This is not home. This is not Ghana.
Listen to me.
This is New York. Alright?
Yes. Yeah, Ghana, we have breakfast is fufu.
And here, our breakfast is coffee, tea, egg and bread, or biscuit.
No, I can't adopt that. I can't adopt breakfast, coffee, about 4 p.m.
But I can't prepare fufu. Why now? It's morning. It's not even 11:30 a.m. So if you want to eat fufu, I can prepare fufu later in the day, okay? So you need to break. We can't pound here. No. No. Water, no. Oh, I'll do it in the microwave for you.
Microwave?
In a microwave.
Why?
You want that? No, I'll blend the cassava and the plantain. Oh.
Okay. And I said,
I don't have roasted corn to do that pepper and sound.
I
don't have all those things. Besides, think. Please don't cry. Don't cry, Brian, please. Oh no, please.
I'm going to
That's why I'm warming you up. You need to remove that.
No.
You're funny, Brian. Oh. OG is not coming back yet. Oh, I see.
Yeah. I'll go.
Okay. See you later.
See you later. OG, Makom Grum. Maba, Obia, Alcoboet. betie aduan milo coffee ever for me oh again so no fu man so nuka ka wona class beti so ebiana oji be humi awa pamome akwantu mu di ofo ukoso bigi emu isiana wa be shutu American so de udi agra you hear fuck you whoa shoot mission baby di oba akoko ne hunsa
Then Brian, I need to call your brother to inform him that you are not eating breakfast. I don't want anything to happen to you. Okay?
Well, me, I'm okay.
Rice?
Yeah, rice.
And what?
Rice and papala stew.
What?
Papala.
What's the meaning of that? Palava sauce?
Yeah, palava sauce.
And you're saying what?
Palava.
What did you say?
Palava sauce.
Oh, damn. You are disgusting. Please. Oh.
You pass it, BJ. Oh, gee, about crying coming in now. Really. Hey. Oh, Ghana, poor baby town. Now, blue chin, dear, so one more belly. Internet to me for an hour, month. To me, so one more belly.